Got to ask this question. How do I do plus emailing in Gmail? Really a useful tactic for being able to filter and manage your email is to use plus email addresses. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in this video. I'll go to compose a new message, make this full screen so you can see it. And you know I have Burris Consulting is the BCI testing account where I do all the Google work. But I don't have to use that email address, burrisconsulting@gmail.com. I could use a slightly different email address and it'd still go there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I get rid of that and I'll type in Burris Consulting plus, and I'm going to do forms@gmail.com. Now I'm going to show you what happens here. Testing. I need help with Google Forms. I'm going to hit send. Look, it's in my sent items. Right there it is. Goes to Burris Consulting plus Forms. Click off that. There it is. Burris Consulting plus Forms. Where did it go? Let's show you. Look, I got a brand new email message right there. Let's click on that. Look, it's addressed to Burris Consulting plus Forms@gmail.com. Now, what is this all about? Well, the plus is the plus formatting of an email address. I could send a new email. Let me just type a few of them in down here. I could send an email message to Burris Consulting @gmail.com. I could also send one, copy that down here. Let's do another one. And I can do, just like I showed you, plus forms. Let's copy that. I could do plus sheets, docs, contacts. I could create all kinds of different email addresses. They're all going to go to burrisconsulting@gmail.com because Google ignores everything after the plus on the front side of the email address. It'll ignore everything, including the plus and everything to the right of the plus. It's going to email it to burrisconsulting@gmail.com. But the benefit of using the plus is that I could now, let me just minimize this. So what is the benefit of using the plus formatting on a Gmail email address? Well, first of all, you can have any plus you want. You can have plus, like our example is plus forms, plus docs, etc., etc. But you could at this point you could say filter messages like this. You got to get rid of this. It's from and put the to Burris Consulting plus whatever you have after it, forms@gmail.com, and you can create a filter. And you can do very specific filtering based on that email address, the plus forms, the plus social media, plus LinkedIn, plus banking, whatever you're using, so that you could do very specific processes and create very specific rules so that you manage those email messages in a very deliberate way. Could be you just label them. Could be you forward it to someone. Could be that you mark it as important so you can come back to it later, so that, or it could be you skip the inbox and just simply archive it because you really don't need to see it. Whatever the process is that you want to create based on the plus whatever you put here on your email address. Think about it. You may very well come up with a really cool idea that you could use that email address. Maybe you use that email address on your social media. Maybe you use it on your banking, whatever you want to, so that you can manage those email messages based on the plus formatting. I'm Teddy, Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.